like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hello friends, welcome you once again to my channel DVCraft. I am Disha and today we are going to make paper jumping frog. So let's get started. First we will take a paper and fold it in half. Open it and fold it in triangle like this way. And again fold this end till here. And fold it and fold this both lines till this middle line like this way. Open it and first fold it in triangle, then bring it like this way and fold it. Now again bring it like this way and fold it. Now same way do with this side also. Now fold this both end till here like this way. Now bring this one part at this side, same way with this side also, and fold it. Again open it and fold this side and fold it. Now open it, it will look like this way. Now bring this point till here and this both side down like this way. And do it like this way. Now fold this part till here and again fold it like this way. And the frog is ready. Now let's draw eyes. So here I taken sketch pen. So let's draw eyes. And the frog is ready. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.